Alright, so make sure to watch till the end to create a custom TikTok sound by editing audio. First, you'll need to capture the sound you want. To do this, start a screen recording on your phone. You'll usually find this option in Control Center, swipe down from the top of your screen. Here, long press that record button. Make sure that the microphone is turned on. Tap Start Recording. Now go to wherever the sound is playing, maybe TikTok, YouTube, or anywhere else. Play the sound that you want to use in your TikTok video while your screen recording is going. Once the sound has played, stop your screen recording. To edit the sound, go to CapCut. Tap on Start New Project. Select the recorded video. Here you can trim and cut by dragging the edges of the audio to trim it. Also speed it up for chipmunk vibes or slow it down for a dramatic effect. Once edited, export it to Photos app. Go back to home screen and open TikTok. Start creating a new video by tapping the plus button in the bottom center. Upload the screen recording you just made. Before you post, make sure the "Who can watch this video" setting is set to Only Me. This is important because you're not trying to share this video with anyone else. You just need it for the sound. Go ahead and post the video. Now head over to your TikTok profile. You'll find a section where your private videos are stored, usually marked with a lock icon. Tap on that. Here, click on the video you just uploaded, the one with the sound you want. While watching that video, you should see your profile pic in the bottom right corner. Tap it. This will save the audio from that video as a sound you can use. Now, select Use Sound button in the bottom right. You've essentially created your own sound. And that's it. Now you know how to create a custom TikTok sound using CapCut. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.